Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Shawn and this is The Shawn Show. Today I'll be talking about network marketing business training. With that said, let's dive in. All right, so I do quite a few different things and network marketing is one of the things that I do. And I've tried quite a few different things, some of them without success, but I actually stumbled across something that I love, and I'll tell you why I love it. And of course, the beauty about this opportunity is they have tons of training. They have training daily via Zoom at 9 o'clock a.m. Pacific time. For those that are working a regular job, they do training in the evening time at 6 o'clock Pacific time on Tuesday and Thursday. And then once you become a certified trainer, they actually have additional trainings available multiple times per week. And of course, the team that I have, that I operate with, they actually have a website that has so much training, it would take you hours and hours and hours and hours and hours to go through it. But what opportunity are you talking about, Shawn? Well, this opportunity is in the solar business, and one of the reasons that I love it is because it's good for the environment, but we all know inflation has been out of control. In 2022 and early 2023, you might have seen your gas bills to power the heat in your house just go up astronomically. Well, if you do solar, it protects you from inflation in the future. I mean, if you think about a $200 electric bill that you have today on average, fast forward 25 years with inflation, that's gonna be $400, $500, $600. And solar just protects you from that. The other thing that I love about this opportunity is there's multiple ways to earn. So of course you can earn by selling solar, and the commissions are high ticket. They range from $5,000 to $10,000. And then once you get to a certain level, you can actually get overrides that could potentially be 4 figures just for someone else underneath you selling solar. And in addition to that, you can actually get a 10% override as soon as your first recruit gets a sale, and you can recruit immediately, of course. So if you want to hear more about this opportunity and take advantage of the training that this platform has, I'd encourage you to reach out to me. My contact information is down in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great afternoon and enjoy the weekend to come. If you could drop a quick like and subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Take care.